Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero to show you how to make a special recipe from Joyce. She has the Instagram handle Lifting is Cake. This is an air-fried strawberry stuffed with a chocolate chip cookie dough. It's keto approved and delicious. Let's get started. You want to start by adding 6 tablespoons of almond flour to a small bowl. 2 teaspoons of the sweetener of your choice. I'm going to use a monk fruit blend sweetener. You'll also need 1.5 tablespoons of softened butter, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of ChocZero's chocolate baking chips. I'm going to be using their milk chocolate, but you can use any flavor. They have milk, dark, they're coming out with specialty flavors too. I love their chocolate chips. They're all sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. Mix this together until it's combined, and then we're just gonna break off chunks of it and stuff it in some strawberries. I have 12 strawberries that I've washed. All you have to do is cut off the top and then scrape out the middle portion using a spoon. And just working with a little bit of cookie dough at a time, just stuff that into your strawberry and lay it onto your air fryer tray or basket. We're gonna put these in the air fryer at 350 degrees. Now, all air fryers are different, so they're gonna cook at different temperatures, so you're probably gonna have to watch them. I would probably just test out 1 or 2 just to see how long to cook it for. My air fryer only took around 3 minutes to cook these. Joyce's air fryer took her 10 minutes. So somewhere between 3 to 10 minutes. After they're done, you'll pull them out, and then we like to top them with a little bit of whipped cream and some of ChocZero's new chocolate hazelnut spread. This makes the perfect topping for your stuffed strawberries. Thank you, Joyce, for this recipe, and make sure to check out her Instagram page, Lifting is Cake, and don't forget to tag ChocZero with all of your photos of your keto cookie dough stuffed strawberries.